There's a quiet kind of tired that builds through the week, not loud exhaustion, but a steady hum of responsibility. The messages, the decisions, the emotional weight you've been carrying so bravely. And now, you're allowed to set it down. Imagine the water running, warm, steady, inviting. This is not indulgent. This is restorative. This is intentional care. As you step into the bath, feel the warmth surround you, like a soft exhale wrapping around your body. Your shoulders soften, your jaw unclenches, your breathing deepens without effort. You don't have to hold yourself together in here. The water holds you. Let the day gently dissolve. Picture every conversation, every task, every unfinished thought melting into the warmth. Nothing needs solving right now. This is your pause, your sacred reset. Light a candle if you can. Dim the lights. Let the room become slower than the world outside it. Notice how your nervous system begins to settle when you give it permission. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are simply human. And humans need recovery. Stay here for a moment. Breathe in calm. Exhale pressure. Inhale softness. Exhale expectation. Feel how safe it is to do nothing. After the bath, wrap yourself in something warm. Move slowly. No rushing back into noise. Maybe a quiet cup of tea. Maybe gentle music. Maybe silence. Let this evening feel intentional. Not empty, but peaceful. This is how you prevent burnout before it begins. Not with grand changes, but with small, steady rituals that tell your body, you're safe now. You can rest now. As the night settles, remind yourself you have done enough for today. You are allowed to wind down without guilt, and tomorrow will meet you with more clarity because you chose calm tonight. Stay soft, stay steady, stay kind to yourself. And if this gentle ritual helped you, subscribe to Easeful Path for more calming resets each week. You deserve evenings that make you feel special.